In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Ledger Live on laptop. Now, if you need any new Ledger devices, you can use my link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment to get your official Ledger device at the best prices and also some bonus Bitcoin together with it. And of course, you'll also support my channel that way, so thank you if you decide to do so. Now, to actually download Ledger Live on your laptop, you want to go to ledger.com, which is the official website, and it's very important you actually go to the official website. And then here, hover over apps and services and click on Ledger Live. Here, you want to go ahead and select, of course, your operating system. For me, it's going to be Windows, so I'm just going to click on download for Windows. It's going to download on my computer. As you can see, my download is currently in progress, and then whenever that's downloaded, you can just simply install it to your computer, okay? So just click on it whenever that's downloaded to your computer, like this, and it's going to open up the installer, and then you just have to basically click a few buttons over here. Just basically select where you want the destination folder to be, click on install, and Ledger Live is going to be installed on your computer. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.